everyone, I'm Stevie with Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about our Microfiber Edgeless Towel. A quality towel reduces the chance of scratching, adding peace of mind to your weekend car care therapy. Our Microfiber Edgeless Towel is a versatile towel that will be your go-to for a multitude of tasks. Its intricate and densely woven nap reduces surface tension, allowing for quick and effortless removal of polish and wax residue. This weave also means no scrunching or wadding up, which further speeds up the process while reducing frustration. Our Microfiber Edgeless Towel also performs well during spray-on detailer touch-ups. For instance, when using Best to Show Detailer, employ the two-towel method, where the first towel lifts dust and smudges, and the second towel is used solely to buff to a brilliant luster. You'll also love this towel paired with our interior detailer to efficiently clean dashes, consoles, door panels, and other hard surfaces. In fact, I keep a couple in my door pocket for quick touch-ups or cleaning my sunglasses. The borderless design provides edge-to-edge performance and ensures nothing but ultra-soft microfiber touches your car. You'll love this towel's talent for multitasking, and since you get 6 towels per pack, you'll be ready for any detailing scenario. Thank you for watching. For more information on Microfiber Edgeless Towels and how to care for them, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.